Tank.
Oh my Hey! No, dude. No. No! Oh! He stopped. Hi, Katie. Come here.
Time to do some sketchy sh. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Oh. Man, shut your...
Bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? 2. 1, 2.
Do it again.
When you buy a cat to get rid of rats in the yard.
No.
I was recording my cat's reaction to my mum brushing her teeth and caught this.
Look what you did. Look what you did to me. Do you have any remorse?
Look at his eyes.
Welcome to Barnes and No! Where did it go?
Oh!
Well, it's official, guys. Loki decided he wanted to be a dog today.
I'm really just curious how you got yourself in there in the first place, and now how I am going to get you out.
Not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
Christ, again. That isn't a stick.
So I'm going to attempt to scare my cat.
Olha pra mim. Castigo agora. Anda, Luna. Vai pro castigo.
Ruth, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I'm so disappointed because I literally just got to my hotel in Arizona and they have bed bugs.
Good morning, everybody.
Hello. Hello, Jackie. Ooh. You look nice. Yes, your doorbell isn't working. Yes.
And if you're gonna call me cute, then you bet. Stop.
Don't look at me like that again, please. Hey, let me see how you were looking at me when I wasn't even looking at you. Are you gonna kill me? They'll find this on my phone.
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny.
Dazzy! Look, Dazzy's eating the carrot! Oh no! What about some arms, Elsie?
Yo, I'm kind of hungry. Do you guys have snacks?
This is the most important picture that's ever been taken. Right here. Oh my god.
Thanks for holding the drinks.
Oh, you want to mess this up? You gonna clean it up. Every last bit of it. You gonna clean it up, Skimpy.
How did you get up there? What happened?
Hi. Hi. It's a little flip.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god!
You gotta close the bathroom door at least. Bro, that is not okay. You know you can't be.
Oh, Remy! Remy! Remy! Remy! Remy! Get Remy! Remy! No, Remy!
Are you kidding me? You get locked in the bathroom and meow all night and you're gonna hit me? Oh, you little...
Evet, bizim komando futumuz.
Nasıl, beğendin mi? He?
How'd that get in there?
Kitana wins. Flawless victory.
Drop it. Tell him, Kayla. Kayla.
Good morning.
Oh! Whew, I'm hungry.
Breakfast.
Like, what? Can you come out? I gotta go to work.
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny.
Scarlett, what you doing? What you doing in there?
Awesome.
I got a new kitten, and this is my cat's reaction.
Okay, so we think our cat is deaf, but we're not 100% sure. So I'm gonna bang these pots behind her and see if she turns around and moves it ear. Yep, I think she's...
Me thinking he's being adorable and supporting me, but legitimately is sabotaging me at every
Do
turn.
that! Okay.
Look.
Oh.
Hey Daisy, you want some peanut butter? No? Alright, that's fine. I won't give it to you. Oh.
You excited to go for a ride? Are you a little ditzy? Bill, come here. Come here.
Ay, timia.
Get it, in place. How's it going so far? I'm looking through my clients. Time has a
Oh my god! Oh, Mom! That's what I thought. Winter!
You dumb bitch!
I know.
Welcome to Barnes and No! Where did it go?
Oh my god. Sadie, is he... I can't tell if he likes it or not.
Despite his criminal mind, this man is behaving well. His reward is the canoe.
Is that your dog, or are you happy to see me?
What?
Ada!
Lift up the cover. Oh, Ada.
Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable up there? Sir? Sir? Sir?
No. No. Please don't do it.
Hvor bliver du mobbet? Hold lige op. Der er blevet lagt billeder af dig en gang.
Oh my goodness. Pudding! Oh my god!
Well, you're just the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Yep. If there was a prize, you'd win it. If there was a score, you'd get 100%. I love you.
Not enough inventory to show them.
I don't like to experience new people. I don't like to give a lot of new people a chance. A lot of new people is crazy.
That's not normal, and I think, you should maybe get some help or something.
You want some water, Dean? You want me to turn on the water? You can have a drink, Dean? Have a drink. You, Dean.
Oh my god. They gave him a shot of Dilaudid.
No.
Okay, look, Chester's a khaki mermaid.
Oh my god!
Cat in a pair of khakis who looks like a mermaid.
And he's slow blinking at us, so you know he loves it.
I'm just laying here, and you're like, give me pets. Give me pets. Give me pets. Give me pets and breakfast.
Venga, Michi, vamos, a ver, al suelo, eso. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, dame 2 más, 8.
Macaroni with the chicken strips.
Left without me. They do this every year. Why?
We were not blessed with a brain cell today.
No, there's a reason I didn't teach you to climb a ladder. I don't want you up here. No, no, no, off, off, off.
Guys, stop it.
I love you, puppy. Yeah.
You wee bastard, ye. What the?
There's a door right there. There's a door. You've gone through it like 5 million times. That's a vent in the wall. That vent's been here since 1965. It's been here your whole 3 years of life.
Meow. Meow.
Fucking crackhead.
I'm doing is pulling a bit more in towards that line. Thanks, cat. Butthole doesn't help. Move out the way, Jungles. I need to see. Yeah. So being a bit more towards that line, trying to pull the ribs in first, and then see how it doesn't get that much more drastic as I start to go down. And then I'm gonna go up from there. Fucking heck. Good. It's alright. So
Akira, that's my sister.
Is it going? I didn't hit pause.
It's going, yeah. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday.
So me and Billy were having a heart-to-heart about our weekend. He was telling me about his, I was telling him about mine, but Timmy felt a little left out. You know, it wasn't my intention, but, you know, he's got an attitude. So he put himself in timeout, and he's not coming out. He's been there for 10 minutes. Timmy!
Bubs. What are you doing? What?
Pazartesi günü yeniden görüşmek umuduyla. Sağlıklı kalın. İyi akşamlar.
What? Stop talking back. Colt Blue.
Cyrus, the people want to know. Can we get an a whoop? Thank you.
Oh. What do you want? I'm trying to sleep.
You're back again. You can't be in here. Look, she's not happy. I know. I'm sorry, buddy.
If you thought you could leave the chair, come back 30 seconds later, and the chair would still be empty. Then you're sorely